Here we're going to find the composition of these two functions. So I like to modify these functions so they're in the same format, and also so I can get rid of the fractions. So I'm going to rewrite this f of x. If you have a variable with an exponent in the denominator, you can bring it up to the numerator, but just change that exponent to negative. So this would be x to the negative third power. And the same for g of x. This is going to be x to the negative fifth power. So let's use those instead. So the first one is asking us to substitute g of x into f of x. So we're going to take g of x and substitute it in to f of x for x. So I'm going to first write down what f of x is. And now I'm going to erase the x. And instead of x, I'm going to write what g of x is. Now I'm going to simplify. So when you have something with an exponent raised to a power, you multiply them together. So this is x to the negative fifth times negative third power, which when you multiply negative 5 times negative 3, you get 15. Now let's do the other one. So this one is asking us to substitute f of x into g of x. So I'm going to start off by writing what g of x is, and then I'm going to erase that x, and instead of x, I'm going to write what f of x is, because I'm substituting f of x into g of x for x. Now let's simplify. If you have an exponent raised to a power, remember you just multiply them together. And when we multiply those, we also get x to the 15th.